Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to loop any YouTube video. Let's get into it. Alright, so on the desktop it's very easy. Get the video you want to loop, and then you just want to right click on the video itself and just click loop, and then the video will loop on its own. I'll just show you by bringing it to the end, and there we go, it loops. On the mobile app it's a bit more difficult, so let's go ahead and switch to that right now. Okay, so now I'm on the mobile. What we're going to do is add the video to a playlist. If you scroll across through these down here, just click save. It's probably going to save automatically to whatever playlist you last edited. Most likely that will be watched later. But we're going to create a new playlist just to have this video on its own. We're just going to name it Took the Walk. Set the privacy settings. I'm going to leave it on private. Press create. Then we want to see the playlist. And now in the playlist, click on the video, and then once the video starts playing, we can press the loop button again, which is the two arrows going in a circle right there. So highlight that, and then the video will loop. As you can see, it loops. So that is it for this video. I hope it did help. If it didn't, please leave a comment down below letting me know why, and also hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching this video.